Running late. Mazi coming to wake me up. Guess we got somewhere to go. Check us out and see where. Boom. I'm back. This kind of burns.
Well, right here.
Nah, I think it's like the fumes of my eyes. It's all good though.
Do you feel it?
Yeah, I'm good.
No, do you feel it burn on your skin?
Oh nah, I can't feel it on my skin.
Oh,
I never
well, good.
do.
You are.
Experience is even more lit with the video.
Why do you always?
So what's your what do they call it? Social media handles. I'm gonna drop it right here on the screen after she say it, but go ahead.
Sharisa Ann.
Sharisa Ann. At her. Make sure you do that.
On my IG.
On her IG. You on any other platform?
No, not right now.
I've been telling her she need to be everywhere. So make sure y'all drop that in the comment section right below. Oh, it's spinning with the phone. Oh, it's spinning with the phone. Oh, wait. I don't know what I'm doing with this thing. Oh, there it goes. Now we good. So if I turn this, it should turn back around. Wait, boom. And there we are. Close up of the shirt. So do you braid hair also?
Yes.
No? Yes? Okay. So
certain braids. I
you
don't
see
do
that guy
like
right
lemonade
back
braids.
there in the corner? He needs braids in the center part. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube. Y'all heard us say yeah. So on the next one, we're gonna be getting Mazi some Killmonger braids on the top. Okay, so
Daddy,
this is the process of dyeing your beard.
Did you head to the left?
Oh, there go that patch. Boom. This gonna look so lit when I edit it. Say what's up, Mazi. Yeah. Clearly Mazi doesn't want to be a part of this video. But this is how the process starts. It basically starts with her putting some of that bleaching cream. Is that what it's called?
Mm-hmm.
Bleaching cream on there. Let's get a zoom and then. So I think she's using a 40 on me right now. Is that what we're using?
Today we're actually using 30.
Okay, wait. She pulled out the 30 clip on me today. She ain't had to go with the 40.
Back.
How long have you been doing this, Daddy?
Just a few minutes.
No.
So the reason I come in and get this done every few weeks is because, as she stated earlier, I have the new growth coming in. So whenever you get the new growth popping, you have to be sure that you get that new growth with a fresh batch of the 40. I mean, the 30.
Usually 40.
Usually 40.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Can you get this part right here too? Cause I'ma like have the joint curving up once I
What you
get
say?
it.
What part?
Hold on, wait, boom. Okay. So this part right here.
So stop right there.
Yeah, start where the stash at.
And what about this? Was this color?
Yep.
That's what I thought. Hold your head back a little bit. The whole thing under your lip too.
Yeah.
Like,
You don't want that stuff to get in your mouth.
you sure don't.
Because then you might die or get sick.
No, he's not gonna die.
You're just going to get
Don't
sick.
wish death upon me.
You're just going to get sick.
long as he don't swallow it.
Or ingest it or breathe it in too much.
Right. You breathing it in. How you feel? Can you
I'm
feel
good.
it?
It's like giving me one of those mushroom eyes.
It's so
Daddy,
crispy.
you're so funny. You can't even stick your hand up.
This is cool how you twist the knob and the camera moves. Okay, so we're gonna cut this in a few seconds. I just wanted y'all to see this process and let y'all see how it's done. Of course, I have to bake for a little bit. Oh yeah, so lit. Uh-oh. There we
Daddy,
go.
what are you even doing to yourself? You're making yourself worse. I believe.
Y'all see the color coming out already. Dun dun dun. See, it's gonna look like hers. You see how hers got that bright glow on it when the light hits it. Boom, just like that. All right, so we out.
Right.
Aw man, there you go. She baking. You remember those African World of, what is it called? African World of Braid commercials where they pan around like.
Mm-hmm. Yep, they sure do. The cameraman look like he walk around.
Daddy.
I gotta get it smoother. I'll figure it out one of these days. Oh well.
Look, go right on YouTube. I'm pretty sure somebody.
Yeah, I know
got one.
somebody's showing a tutorial. So if y'all didn't hear me earlier, this is my first time going live with the gimbal that I got for Christmas. I was gonna say the brand, but y'all gotta pay me for that. Yeah. All right, so now we lightening it up a little bit. Hold on, wait.
This is hell.
Oh, I'm doing this wrong. Okay, so yeah. I'm tripping. All right, there we go. All right, so we gotta get step 2. She about to wash me off. Oh God. Oh yeah, she popping now. Oh man. Oh yeah. All right, so there we go. Okay, y'all. So Sher was just in here fussing at me. Hold on, let's see if we can get the camera on her. Fussing at me because she said I always be trying to add stuff in.
He always got ideas.
So what we
Extra
doing
ideas.
now is we lightening this part, making it a little lighter than that part. So y'all seeing it, y'all seeing the process in the making.
Terrible.
This is lit. This is lit. This
No,
is all.
This is what I go through when he come in here.
Yeah, make sure you follow Sharisa Ann. Is that what it is?
Sharisa Ann
Sharisa Ann.
on IG.
On IG. We're gonna put that right there in the comment section. Follow my girl. You know what I'm saying? Boop. Okay, so
Is this yours?
Mazi and his 2 iPads. So, y'all see it? God, it looks so dope in the light. Oh. Hold on, where's Sher at? She right there. Get her on the camera. Follow her, Sharisa Ann. Oh. Shout out to my boy, Mr. Organic. I am one of them ones with that blonde drip.
Y'all don't stud him.
Ooh, my boy. So let me tell you what happened. My boy, Mr. Organic, on. Wow, that just blinded it out. Hold on, look at the light fixtures back together. There we go. Ooh, look at it in the light. Ooh. Wait till we get a haircut tomorrow. Oh yeah, we gotta get Sher in the light. This where we at? It's my girl Sharisa Ann.
Panda's hairstyle.
We at Panda's Hairstyle. Hit them with the address again one more time.
1920 East Highway 54, Durham, North Carolina 27713 by South Point. Come
Yeah.
check me out.
Come. Hold on, wait. We're gonna get it right. Wait. Oh, there you go. Check her
Come
out.
see me.
Come see her. She making this stuff like this. Oh my God! Look at the fluffiness. Do you see the coloration? That's two-tone. They don't do that everywhere. You gotta come see my girl right here to get it two-tone. You see it? You see it. And she got the curls popping because we're gonna dread that up later. Mazi, put the finger back. Point to the colors, the textures. You see that? Oh.
I just,
Sharisa Ann.
I was just,
Like that there.